Hello! Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing great today and ready to improve your English speaking skills. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about a powerful technique that many successful language learners use to become fluent faster. This technique is called shadowing. If you want to speak English more naturally, improve your pronunciation, and understand native speakers better, then this lesson will help you a lot. In this video, I will explain what shadowing means, why it is so effective for learning English, and how you can practice it step by step. I will also give you examples, questions and answers, role plays, and even share a real story of one of my previous learners who improved his English through shadowing. First, let's understand what shadowing really means. Shadowing is a language learning technique where you listen to English and repeat what you hear immediately, almost at the same time as the speaker. It is called shadowing because you follow the speaker like a shadow follows a person. When the speaker says something, you repeat it instantly without waiting too long. For example, if the speaker says, "Hello, how are you today?" you immediately repeat, "Hello, how are you today?" You are not translating, you are not writing, and you are not waiting for several seconds. You simply listen and repeat at the same time. When you practice shadowing, you try to copy the speaker's pronunciation, rhythm, stress, and intonation. In other words, you imitate the speaker like an actor copying another actor's voice and style. Shadowing is very powerful for learning English because it trains your brain and your mouth at the same time. First, it improves your pronunciation. When you repeat what native speakers say, you start to notice how they pronounce words and connect sounds. For example, when a native speaker says, "I'd like a cup of coffee," the words may sound connected. By shadowing, you learn to produce these natural sounds yourself. Second, shadowing improves your listening skills. Because you are repeating what you hear, your brain becomes more focused on the sounds of English. Over time, you begin to understand spoken English faster and more clearly. Third, shadowing builds your speaking confidence. Many learners understand English but struggle to speak because they spend too much time thinking about grammar and vocabulary. Shadowing helps your brain become familiar with common English patterns, so speaking becomes more automatic and natural. Now let's talk about how you can practice shadowing step by step. The first step is to listen carefully to a short sentence or audio clip. For example, listen to the sentence, "I went to the market this morning." The second step is to listen again and pay attention to how the speaker pronounces each word. Notice the rhythm and the tone of the sentence. The third step is to shadow the sentence. As the speaker says, "I went to the market this morning," you repeat it immediately while listening. The final step is repetition. You should repeat the same sentence several times, maybe 5 to 10 times. Repetition helps your brain remember the sounds and patterns of English. Let's try a few shadowing examples together. Listen to this sentence. "I enjoy learning English every day." Now repeat it immediately. "I enjoy learning English every day." Here is another one. "Practice makes perfect." Repeat it. "Practice makes perfect." And one more. "Consistency is the key to success." Repeat it again. "Consistency is the key to success." These short sentences are excellent for shadowing practice because they help you build rhythm and confidence. Now, let's practice a small role-play conversation. Imagine two people talking. Speaker A says, "Hello, how are you today?" Speaker B replies, "I'm doing great. How about you?" Speaker A continues, "I'm good. I'm practicing my English." Speaker B responds, "That's wonderful. Keep going." When you practice shadowing, you should repeat each line after you hear it. By doing this, you are training yourself to speak naturally in real conversations. Next, let's try some question and answer practice. I will ask a question and then I will give an example answer that you can shadow. The first question is, why do you want to learn English? A possible answer is, I want to learn English to communicate with people around the world. Another question is, how often do you practice English? A good answer could be, I practice English every day for 30 minutes. The third question is, what is your favorite way to learn English? You might answer, my favorite way to learn English is shadowing. By practicing these answers with shadowing, you become more comfortable speaking about everyday topics. Now, let me share a real story about one of my previous learners. His name was Daniel. Daniel had studied English for many years, but he still found it difficult to speak fluently. He told me, "Teacher, I can understand English when I listen, but I cannot speak easily. So, I introduced him to the shadowing technique. At the beginning, Daniel felt uncomfortable because speaking at the same time as the audio was challenging. However, he practiced every day for about 15 minutes using short English recordings. After 2 weeks, his pronunciation began to improve. After 1 month, he could speak faster and more smoothly. After 3 months of consistent shadowing practice, Daniel was able to have full conversations in English without fear. One day, he told me, "Shadowing changed the way I learn English." Today, Daniel works in an international company where he uses English every day.
I would like to give you a small challenge. For the next 7 days, practice shadowing for at least 10 minutes every day. Choose a short audio clip, listen carefully, and repeat it immediately. If you stay consistent, you will notice improvements in your pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. Thank you so much for learning with me today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, share it with other English learners, and subscribe to the channel for more English lessons. Also, write in the comments which sentence you practiced today using shadowing. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and remember that every small step brings you closer to fluency. I will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye, everyone.